Hey there, and welcome to your Whittle Your Middle tutorial. Okay guys, this is going to be a very simple tutorial. We're doing things a little different this time around. So we do have our benchmark workout, but we are not going to really be concerned with getting better numbers with each move. We are only working on one thing and one thing only this challenge, and that is to see how many sit-ups or crunches you can do in a minute. That's the only number that we're working with. That's the only thing we want to get better at. That is our main focus. We are really going to work on strengthening those abs and doing a little high intensity interval training to maybe burn a little fat while we're at it so we can see those abs. All right, so basically I'm just going to show you how to do a proper sit-up and how to do a proper crunch, because that's our main focal point, okay? So, please join me down on the floor, if you will. First I'm gonna show you the sit-up, okay? Now I have an ab mat. This is the Elite Abdominals. You can get this off of Amazon. I think it's like $19, something like that. You don't have to have one of these for this challenge, but if you do have an ab mat, I want to show you quickly how to do it. So how we're going to do the sit-ups is we're going to put the soles of our feet together. Our knees are going to drop out really wide, just to the sides, and you're going to tuck that ab mat right there underneath your bum. And you're going to bring your hands together and you're going to lean back, nice and slow. You come all the way, bring those arms up overhead, keep that chin tucked, and then reverse the motion and come back up, reaching forward past your toes if you can, and then back down. All right? So that's the basic sit-up. You can do this also, not with an ab mat, but I'm gonna show you. You can do it with a pillow. I have a nice rectangular pillow. You can also do it with a square pillow. Anything you have on your sofa, you can use it. Watch. Watch and see. All right, we're gonna tuck that pillow underneath. We're gonna bring our hands up and over again, and then up and reaching across. It just gives your low back a really nice support system there, because you also allowing for your abs to fully extend, which is good. You get a little extra range of motion here, and then those abs are really working to contract, pull you up, and get you in a seated position. You can also do it with a square pillow. Anything you have is really gonna work here. Okay, that's going to give you a little bit more support up here. So you just want to tuck that in if you can, and come back and up. It's a nicer way to do a sit-up. If this is too much for you, get rid of all those things and you can do a crunch. So a crunch, your feet are going to be flat on the floor, you're going to be down on the ground, fingertips behind your ears. Okay, you're going to pull that belly button and press your low back into the ground, so your core is nice and engaged, and then you're just going to tuck your chin in, lift up so your shoulder blades come up off the floor, and then back down, just like that. I don't want you to lose that contraction in your abs though. Okay, I want that belly button pulled in, keeping that low back pressed towards the ground throughout the move. Okay, it's going to require a lot of focus, but I know you can do it. All right, so you can do those if sit-ups are too difficult for you. All right, and that's gonna be basically the move that we are working our hardest to perfect, to get better at, to strengthen our abs with. We're gonna be doing all sorts of ab work, but this is the one that we're gonna be focusing on the most, okay? Let me just show you really quick one more, because we're gonna do this exercise at some point, and I just wanna go over it with you. Your feet are gonna be flat on the floor. You're gonna be holding your heaviest weight that you have. I have an 8-pound. And again, you're gonna have that weight behind you, and this is a weighted curl up. So you just come down nice and slow, keep that chin tucked, extend, and then reverse the motion and sit back up nice and tall. Okay, so you come down like this, touch those shoulder blades, and then right back up. You're not coming all the way down, relaxing, and then coming up, or keeping that core engaged the entire time. So you're just coming down, touching those shoulder blades, and then back up. Again, you can do this with a pillow, or whatever you have. So that's one move that we're going to be doing. I just wanted to quickly show that to you. That's not a benchmark move. I don't think it is. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you do a proper sit-up. That's how you do a proper crunch. You can do one or the other. And yeah, we're going to have fun with this challenge, okay? We're really going to work on strengthening these abs. All right? So thank you so much for joining me. Guys, I'm very excited to get started. I hope you are too. All right, I will see you on day one. Woo!